Did you know that English is the most widely spoken language in the world? With over 1.5 billion speakers, it's the global language of business, technology, and communication. But what makes English so important? According to the British Council, English is the official language in 67 countries and the most commonly used language in international organizations. In fact, a study by the University of Cambridge found that English is the most frequently used language on the internet, with over 25% of all online content in English. The widespread use of English has also made it a valuable asset in the job market. A report by the Economist Intelligence Unit found that proficiency in English can increase an individual's earning potential by up to 30%. So, whether you're looking to advance your career or connect with people around the world, understanding the significance of the English language is crucial. It's a powerful tool that can open doors and create new opportunities.